making a cook video, so. You weren't supposed to do that. Where's my... Oh, yeah. So what would I do without you, bud? Where's Spatula?
Be careful.
Where's Spatula?
Oh, you're nervous because I'm making a video. Don't worry.
Oh crap. Oh crap. Flip, flip.
Yeah.
Skinny, baby. Hello.
What's up?
What's up, bro? Are you gonna get that on TV?
On internet?
Just like on YouTube?
Yeah.
I didn't. It came out. I just sliced it. I'll slice it.
I'm going to edit that part.
What part?
When he burped in front of my sandwich.
You can eat one?
Huh? What?
You can eat one?
I want to try them.
Wait, did I put the cheese on it?
Yep.
Okay. I got the slice. Okay, cut it in half, broski. What are you doing? Just cut it in half. Just cut it in half. Got it. Well, then do this. Look, look. Just do this. I ain't gonna cut it with that. Oh, thanks. You're welcome. This guy. Do my burger flip, burger flip, burger flip. You want some chips?
Sure.
What kind?
Huh?
What kind?
What kind do you have?
A lot. Pretzel, Cool Ranch, Munchos, and what's it called? Sour.
Which ones are the ones that are like with cheese?
Cheese. Oh, cheddar cheese. I don't know if I got some, but